Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. A Python virtual environment is a self-contained directory that contains a Python installation and any additional packages necessary for a specific project. It allows you to manage dependencies and isolate project-specific configurations from your system-wide Python installation. Here's how you can create and use a Python virtual environment. 1. Install virtualenv. If you don't have virtualenv installed, you can install it using pip. 2. Create a virtual environment. Navigate to your project directory and create a new virtual environment by running. Replace venv with the name you want to give to your virtual environment. 3. Activate the virtual environment. On Windows, activate the virtual environment by running. On Mac OS and Linux, activate the virtual environment by running. You will see the name of your virtual environment displayed in the terminal prompt. 4. Install packages. Once the virtual environment is activated, you can use pip to install packages. For example, to install the requests library. 5. Deactivate the virtual environment. To deactivate the virtual environment and return to your global Python installation, run. By using virtual environments, you can keep your project dependencies separate and avoid conflicts between different projects. It's a good practice to always use virtual environments when developing Python applications. Let me know if you need more information or have any questions.